Welcome to the Glen neighborhood of Tetherow. Here we are at 19470 Bainbridge Court. This is a beautiful home on an exceptional lot, and I'm excited to share it with you today. What makes this home special is that it's almost 2,900 square feet on one level, and it was delivered with this beautiful transitional style that has a really nice nod to mid-century. So I absolutely love this home. When you come down the front hallway here, you have a nice study off to the left, junior suite off to the right, and this series of 5 skylights in the entry hallway, which greets you with a really nice, light, airy feel, and sets the tone for the rest of the home. The kitchen is the absolute heart of this home. You have this really large L island, seating for 4 or 5, features a wine fridge off to the end here, and is incredibly well appointed with a really nice double oven KitchenAid appliance package, big double door fridge, and a really large and well appointed pantry. The living space on this home was very thoughtfully designed out, and I think is going to live very well. One of my favorite elements is this entertainment room off to the back. So you can have TV and entertainment in your great room if you'd like, but it's also designed so that you can have movie and medias just off to the side with a nice double door to separate that if you so wish. So this home was designed either for an empty nester or family, but very much around the master living. It's got a great master suite. Not only is it really well sized and you've got windows on multiple sides, but you've got a door here to the extremely large back deck and a really elegant master bathroom and walk-in closet. So this home really stands apart for a variety of reasons. One is really the inspired design. It has that nice crossover fusion between Northwest and mid-century modern, and I think it came out absolutely wonderful. The other is just really the livability, not only of the house and the floor plan itself, which is exceptional on its own, but the setting. Here we are on this wooded lot, and it has a really private and comfortable feel. This is really for someone looking for a little bit more intimacy in their living setting. I invite you to come take a look at this great home, and it's move-in ready.